After that comes the compensation sites. Compensation for the sites taken away from her. There is 14 sites in the Vijayanagar third stage, C block, D block, E block, G block, and the Vijayanagar fourth stage and second phase in Mysore district. Now, when you give compensatory sites, was it for the lands utilized by Muda after 25/8/2004? Is my question. Because by then, sites have already been given. It is no more Kesare Grama. It is Devanur third stage, Padavane third stage. For which lands utilized by Muda? As Muda utilized your land after 2004. If Muda has utilized your land after 2004, you have the right to claim. Otherwise, what right do you have? The only right that is there is, if the owner, the previous owners, they have anything, they should go to the civil court and say, our lands have been taken. You have not derived any right from 2004 because there was no land there. To sum it up, I would say there were no agricultural lands when the sale deed was executed on 25/4/2004. There were no agricultural lands when the conversion was granted on 15/7/2005. There was no agricultural lands when the gift deed was executed on 2010/2010. And there were no agricultural lands when the release deed were executed on 25/11/2021. And most importantly, after 25/8/2004, no acquisition of 3 acres 16 guntas of land in survey number 464 has taken place. So you cannot claim compensation. That has to come back to the government. Those sites will have to be recalled, cancelled, the allotment should be revoked, and according to my calculation, the lands, all these 14 sites together would be 55 crores, 80 lakh and 700 rupees according to the market value which we have calculated at 15,000 rupees per square feet. Today's rate. But according to Mr. Siddaramaya's own demand, it is 62 crores. So my estimation is much lower than Mr. Siddaramaya's. But this amount has to be recovered, and for the recovery, those sites will have to be recalled. This is the demand that I have placed today.